In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom form URL with Jotform. Whether you're looking to personalize your form links or simply make them more intuitive, creating a custom URL is a quick and straightforward process. To begin, head over to jotform.com and sign in with your credentials. If you're new to Jotform, you'll first need to create an account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile, and you'll be ready to proceed in no time. Once you're signed in, navigate to My Forms located in your Jotform account. This is your central hub where all of your existing forms are displayed. Browse through your collection and select the form you'd like to customize. It's that easy. Clicking on the form will open it up for further modifications. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Form Builder menu. Select Publish from the menu options. This section is where you'll manage how your form is shared and accessed by others. Clicking on Publish will bring up various sharing options you'll need for the next steps. You'll notice a section labeled Share with Link, and right beside your form URL there's a small pencil icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your editing tool that allows customization of your URL. Editing the URL can be a great way to make your form links memorable and unique, especially useful for branding purposes or when you're distributing a lot of forms and want a clean organization. Once you've crafted your custom URL, it's time to share it. Your form, ready with its unique URL, can now be distributed to your users. Custom URLs enable you to enhance the branding of your communications, adding a personal touch to each link you send out. If at any point you decide to revert to the original URL, Jotform provides a simple way of doing this. Just click the reset icon under the Share with Link section. This will delete any custom changes you've made and restore the form's original URL. And there you have it. Just like that, you've created a custom form URL on Jotform, adding that simple yet effective customization to your form sharing process. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next video.